You ever try to start your vehicle and get this? And then you put the lights on and turn the ignition and then you get this. So you ask yourself, is it the starter or is it the battery? Which one is it? So before you condemn any starter or battery, make sure that the battery poles are secured. And I want you to grab your multimeter, check for voltage. Right now we're seeing that we have 12 volts on this battery, which is not enough. And when you put the key on, engine off, and try to turn, you see that it's dropping all the way down to 5 volts. So after you do these few checks, you're gonna hook up a jump pack. I got my hands here on a topdon JS 2000. It works really well, right? So I'm gonna pump that up, boost it, crank the key, it should start right up, right? So definitely a dead battery and not the bad starter, right? So you can do these few checks with a basic multimeter before you condemn anything, right? And just happen to have my jump pack, which is the top done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Till next time.